Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the update on the Gains Network. In my so many previous videos of Gains Network, I've been showing you that it formed a very long-term and huge down channel on the 7 days time frame chart. And this was one of those videos. Now, if we move to the live 7 days time frame chart, then you can see that still it is moving inside this long-term down channel. And now you can see that recently we also found this downtrend line resistance as well. Since after the month of July 2024, almost for more than a year, it was getting rejected by this downtrend line resistance. And now recently we have also broken out this downtrend line resistance, and immediately the price had moved at the resistance of this channel, but rejected. But still, we are having a very nice support of exponential moving average 21, and now the pricing is getting accumulated above this support. And by the way, previously it had been breaking at a very strong and long-term resistance. Therefore, now after this price accumulation above this support, there is a probability that soon we may see another attempt to break out this resistance of the channel. This support will be, by the way, very significant of EMA 21 on this 7 days time frame chart. And I would also like to share with you my most recent trade signal for Gains Network that I shared a few days ago on 4th of July 2025 with my members, and so far this signal has produced almost 34% pump. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis. And first of all, let me begin with my most recent trade signal for Gains Network that I shared on 4th of July 2025 with my members. And that was a bullish garden move that Gains Network completed on a daily time frame chart with US dollar pair. And this was the complete trade setup. A buying zone, sell target zone, and this was the stop loss. And now if I play this chart, then you can see that the price had nicely moved up from the buying zone and read the sell target zone here, and here. And so far it has pumped almost 34%. And if you would like to catch such other pumps before they happen, then you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because then I'm sharing such trading signals for you on the daily basis. And I've already shared the links to join me there in the video's description you can find. Now let's move to the live chart of Gains Network, and this is the 7 days time frame chart. And here you can see that since after Feb 2023, it is moving inside this very big and long-term down channel. You can see that we had a rejection here, bounce here, and another bounce here. Few more rejections here, rejection here, and by the way, from here, from 22nd of July 2024, we also found this very long-term down trend line resistance as well. We got rejection by the resistance here, and here. And by the way, here last time we also bounced from the support of this channel as well. And after that, we have broken out these two resistance levels, even three resistance levels together. One was this long-term resistance of $1.50 that had been previously acting as support here and support here. And now we have broken it out. And we have also broken out this very long-term resistance, this red line, that is an exponential moving average 21 on this 7 days time frame chart. And we have also broken out this downtrend line resistance as well. Now we need to keep an eye on this support of EMA 21. And then after that, we will have this support of $1.50. If the price breaks down these two support levels, then it can again test the support of the channel. Before that, by the way, this previous downtrend line can also work as support somewhere here, approximately at $1.28. And in case of breaking it down, it can test this support of the channel somewhere here, approximately at 65 cents. So many support we have. And now we are still moving very close to the resistance. But once it will be able to break it out, this down channel, then we can expect a very massive and long-term rally. By the way, this time it can hit the resistance of the channel somewhere here, approximately at $2.25. And in case of breaking it out, the technical target will be here at the top of the channel. That will be approximately at $15. So this was the update so far. I hope that you like the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.